This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering and preparing the keyboard so connection is reliable. Plug the USB-C cable or batteries in, then switch the keyboard on. The LED confirms power. Install Logitech G715 on your computer because it provides firmware updates and key mapping. This prevents odd behavior. Once done, choose the wireless mode you want. Press the Bluetooth icon to pair via Bluetooth or switch to dongle mode for the USB receiver. Make sure your PC's Bluetooth is enabled if using Bluetooth. You now perform the actual pairing, which differs by method. For the dongle, plug the receiver into a USB port or adapter and the keyboard should auto-connect. G8UB will show it. For Bluetooth, hold the keyboard's Bluetooth button until the LED blinks, then open your computer's Bluetooth settings and select the G715 entry, accept pairing prompts. Once paired, check G8UB for a steady connection and install any available firmware updates, because they fix latency and compatibility issues. Finish by customizing profiles and lighting in G8UB and decide whether to store them on the keyboard or in the cloud. This keeps settings when you switch devices. Test all keys, media controls, and the reported polling rate to confirm performance. If you see input lag, try a different USB port or a USB 2. 0/3. 0 change. If problems persist, repair the device, replace batteries or rechargeable charge. Update OS drivers, or perform a factory reset on the keyboard to clear stubborn pairing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.